Okay, so in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to do SolidWorks Sketch. First, you need to open your SolidWorks app and then go to File and then click New, or you can also click this icon here, click New. A dialog box appears and this is showing the three different SolidWorks documents. So the first one is a part. That's what we need in order to do the sketch. So a part is just a 3D representation of a single design component. Next is an assembly. It's a collection of part and sub-assemblies. And finally, a drawing. So it is just a 2D representation of a part or an assembly. So double click the part, or you can click OK. This is how an empty part looks like with nothing in the graphics area. And let's take a closer look on this area. This is the feature manager tree. And although we haven't done anything, you can see that there are already items here. And we'll focus more on the plane. So this is what we need to start sketching. It's just like in reality, when you want to draw something, you need a pencil and a paper. So a paper in SolidWorks is equivalent to a plane because you cannot just draw in midair, right? So you need to select one of these default planes. We'll choose front planes. So just left click it and then this option will appear. And if you hover it, it says sketch. You can click this one, or you can go to sketch tab in the command manager and then select sketch. So as you've noticed, the front plane appears directly to us, like it's facing us straight on. So it's called normal to view. And you also notice on the top corner, there are two icons that appears here. This one is the exit sketch. So when you click it, everything that you do here will be saved. Next is the cancel button. If you press it, everything that you draw will be disregarded. And pay attention to our cursor right now. So this is just a normal cursor, right? Now let's go over here to the sketch tab and the sketch tools. So these are your sketch tools or sketch entities, because sketch is made of sketch entities like line, circle, rectangle, etc. So from this cursor, normal cursor, if I click this line tools, the cursor becomes a pencil. So that means that we can now start drawing a line. So all you have to do is just click anywhere, left click, and then a line appears, and then you can move it around, and you can click to end the line segment, and another line segment appears, and then you can click again, click, just left click. And then if you want to end the line segment, just double click. And we're still on the line command, right? Because the cursor is still a pencil, so we can start another line segment. But if you want to end the line command, we can press escape in the keyboard. So our cursor from pencil, it becomes normal now. You can choose another sketch entities here, like a circle. And then the cursor changes to a circle. So we can now start sketching a circle. Just click. And then click. You'll also notice that in the right side, it has a property manager of a circle. So you can see here the diameter of a circle. You can input a value or its X and Y value. If you also click align, this one, align property manager will also appear, and then we can increase the length as well as the angle. Where's the angle? here. So that's how you create a sketch in SolidWorks. If we click this one, the exit sketch, our sketch will be saved, and it will create a sketch feature here. So this sketch is called sketch 1, and it's a sketch feature. It comes from here in the command manager. Now let's do a recap. Let's delete this one. By the way, if you want to edit the sketch, you can always go back. Just click it once, and then an edit sketch option will appear. Click it, and then you go back to sketch mode again. So this is called sketch mode because you are in a sketch environment. If these two buttons appears, means you are in a sketch mode. Once again, we'll click sketch save. Then we'll just delete this one. Okay, let's do that again. This part. So to do a sketch, you go to File, New, and then select this part document here, and then select a plane, one of these planes. So select front plane. Remember that like almost all parts starts with a sketch. That's a fundamental of SolidWorks modeling. We need a sketch to make a model, but before that we need a sketch to create all of these features here. So we already clicked the plane. You click one of these sketch entities, and then started clicking. Okay, you can select other sketch entities like a rectangle. So that's how to do a sketch.